Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a WiseLaser range of material cleaning lasers. Suitable for removing surface rusts, coatings and oxidisation without damaging the material or substrate. These machines are water cooled and have a long duty cycle, making it suitable for a number of different industries including manufacturing, maintenance and restoration. Unlike conventional cleaning methods such as using abrasives, chemicals or wire brushing, this machine utilises laser technology, making the whole process much cleaner and more efficient. Boasting a working life of 100,000 hours, that's 50 years of 8-hour working shifts, making it suitable for continuous use at full capacity in a production environment. The touchscreen controller is easy to use and has been preloaded with user-friendly settings. The cleaning head is robust yet compact, making it easy to manoeuvre. The high-flow head extraction system keeps the machine running efficiently in all environments. The argon gas pressure is constantly monitored and will notify you when the pressure is low. The laser source is manufactured by Raycus Laser, an extremely reliable and well-known brand. The electrical control system is neatly laid out, utilising well-known brands such as Schneider contactors and switchgear. The cable and cleaning head storage have been well thought out, reducing the chance of potential problems such as tripping hazards. These machines are extremely efficient, require minimal maintenance and have low consumable costs. All our laser cleaning machines have been sourced from reliable and consistent manufacturers, and we have inspected their manufacturing plants and assembly lines to ensure that all products meet our high quality standards. If you're looking for the best solution to your material cleaning requirements, you should consider a WiseLaser. You can buy online or you can call us for more information.